Hello everyone, here we've got MOTOROLA Moto G Pure, and let me show you how to check total screen time on your device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. And right in front of you, you've got the general info regarding your phone usage, your screen usage. If you'll tap on it again, you can check some more info, some more details. So you will find here statistics for each day of usage, and it's done with every app of yours, so you can check the time that you spend on every app, and also for every day of usage. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.